Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's the first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. If you have been following the channel, a couple of weeks ago I did a video for a company called Tilswall, or Tilswall Shark paint sprayer, 800 watt sprayer, fairly powerful one. In today's video I've been sent a Tilswall Shark 800. Now, this little sprayer weighs in at 1 kilo. So we'll review this, test in today's video. Now, if you are interested in the bigger sprayer, the 800 watt, I'll put that video on the screen up here at the end of this video. There is a discount code in the description of that video. But today's video, we've got a 58% discount. This is $69.99, discount brings it down to $29.99. Discount code in the pinned comment, description of the video. Anyway, I'm going to spray this gate. Sanded it down yesterday and then it rained the rest of the day, so I couldn't paint it. I'm going to get it done today. But first things first, I'll show you what's in the box. Instruction manual, accessories, and the sprayer itself. Like I said, this weighs in at 1 kilo. Obviously before the paint's been added. Anyway, this little funnel here is for measuring the thickness of paint, if you want to thin it down or not. And there's a chart in the instructions, and basically you pour some paint in here, you time how long it takes to come through, and depending on how many seconds it tells you if you've got to thin it down or not and how much by. However, I've negated that, so I bought this one coat sprayable paint specifically designed for fences and things like that. Now this was £20 off Amazon. I've also got some Ronseal wood preserver, that was £36 for 5 litres. So the paint and the Ronseal wood preservers are more expensive than the sprayer itself. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description to this if you want a tub. So we're going to use this. So I'm going to fill the sprayer up, I'm going to paint these double gates, and we're going to time how long it takes to see how effective and quick this is, especially if you've got big fences, stuff like that to paint. So this just screws off, pour your paint in there. It takes 1000 ml, 1 litre of paint. If I quite need that, I probably will fill it to the top. Now I've gone for a colour here called Forest Green. Try not to spill any on my step ladders. There we go. Now the beauty of this sprayer is it's only 600 watts, so I'm just going to run it using a power station. Most power stations obviously will run it, apart from the very small ones, which also means you can go and use it off grid if needed. So in a minute I'm going to time how long it takes to spray this fence. At the end of the video then I'll explain rundown procedure, close down procedure, when you're going to store the sprayer away after you've used it. So on the side of the sprayer then, you've got your on off switch here, you've got your trigger, and on the trigger here you can turn this up and down, clockwise for up, counterclockwise for down. Okay, so we're ready to go. I've got it turned up to the max. I'm going to quickly bring the camera, do a little bit of spraying and just show you how powerful it is. So I put a bit of masking tape on the gate. I'm not bothered about the hinges. the bolts at the bottom if they get their paint on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer on my phone. I'm going to time how long it takes me to give this gate a good coat. Anyway, I'm going to start the stopwatch now. Okay, that's 1 litre of paint gone. So 2 minutes 47 seconds we've used a litre of paint. So I'm going to top up, pause the stopwatch, finish off. Right, I'm ready to go again. I think that's crazy. It dispensed a litre of paint in 2 minutes and 57 seconds, or just under. That's rapid. Anyway, hit resume, finish the gate. Okay, 4 minutes 19 seconds to paint a double gate. I can take the camera over, show you. Now that paint says 1 coat on it. I do believe this is going to need 2 coats. So I think that paint is quite a 1 coat paint. But I reckon when I'm painting beehives and things, that's going to be excellent. I'm genuinely impressed with that paint sprayer. That is going to be absolutely awesome for when I'm painting beehives and that equipment that I build. Just literally painting with a brush just takes ages. Anyway, show you close up now. As you can see there, it's going to need a 2nd coat. It's got nothing to do with the sprayer. It's to do with the paint and the colour that was underneath it already. So, I've had a look. That gate's taken 1.5 litres of paint. So that gives you an idea of how much paint you're going to need if you're painting like a fence or something. You're going to need quite a lot of paint. And that's going to need 2 coats. So that's 3 litres of paint to do a gate. If we do the other side, that's probably going to be a full tub, if not a little bit more. Anyway, you've seen it made short work of that gate there. Now run down procedure, close down procedure. All you're going to do is empty the paint out, put some white spirit in the spray gun, give it a good shake, spray some white spirit through to clear the nozzle, empty the white spirit away, store your paint spray away. Easy as that. So like I say, 58% discount code in the description, in the pinned comment. If you did enjoy that video, found it useful, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.